All right, you guys, welcome back to another video. Got the RS3 right in front of us. It's been a little bit since we did a dedicated kind of non-yap. You guys know me, I like to talk, but we did a kind of similar video 8 months ago, and it's one of my most successful videos. Crazy to say. I was expecting when I bought this car to get some traction, but you guys really like the sound of this Daza. It's great to film with, it's fun to drive, you know, can't beat it. So today we're gonna be taking the RS3 for a quick drive. It's kind of later on in the day, so we're gonna run into some traffic, I assume, but probably nothing too bad. I can tell you right now, Portsmouth is gonna be crazy, so I figured let's take it through the city, our version of a city at least, and get some reactions. Some of the differences, I guess, from when we filmed a year or almost a year ago versus now is obviously we're on these wheels. That's really it. You know, we've done some other aesthetic things to it, but not too much else. Car is overdue for a paint correction, I'll tell you that, but obviously we're rocking the new Maxton V2 diffuser. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks awesome. But outside of that, not too much else. This Aura Blue paint looks insane, even when kind of dirty. You guys have to keep in mind we're in New England, it's pollen season, you know, so I've been driving it a little bit, and of course between the dirt and the pollen, it's just really difficult to keep this thing clean. Jump right in. We pulled off to a better spot than before. This is the USS, I think it's the Albacore, I believe, and my grandfather used to always love coming here, so each time I drive by I think of him. But yeah, let's hop in. This thing is relatively up to temperature, but might need to warm it up a little bit more. But for the sake of this video, we're actually going to be driving with the one seat folded down. I think it's a little fun that way. Little extra noise, little extra volume. There has been a little rattling, which is kind of weird, but you know, what are you gonna do? So yeah, one seat down. I took the lining in the back out, so little extra noise. The valve is still, we got to fix that still, so you know there's going to be a little extra noise than anticipated with this type of exhaust, but we'll fix the valve soon, and then I'll go stage 2 intercooler, you name it. So let's hop in. Oh. It sounds so freaking good, you guys. Oh, hello, a ladybug. I think it's a good sign if you get a ladybug. We're gonna let you free. Come on, go. All right, sunroof. Crack these windows a little bit. If we get too wind buffety, I'll probably close the windows, but we'll leave the sunroof open. I like a little extra noise that way. I guess for the sake of it, just while we're this lady go. You guys gotta check out that R8 over there. Oh, crazy. It's Portsmouth. Hidden gems. Actually mix it up a little bit. Let's go this way. Drive by that R8. And we'll take this thing on the highway for a brief bit. It's a 4-liter or not. I don't know those cars as well as I should. Oh man, an 8Y. Give him some space. All right. clean. GP Mini, you just don't see much of those. library traffic only. Well, the beauty is it's a library, so I don't think anyone's coming here. Ah, my God, you guys. Each time I drive this car, obviously for videos, we give you guys something to watch. You know, I want to drive it a little bit more hard than I would typically drive it, but, you know, still within reason, still obviously within limits of the street and the road. But yeah, guys, I'll show you something. One last thing before we end the video. Just look how unbelievably beautiful it is. It looks so freaking good in here. Love it. So, of course, I'm leaving the car on. But guys, thank you again for watching the video, for staying tuned to this thing that we do on this channel. I love these videos. These POV drives are so fun to make. I'm loving that you guys are loving them too. That's the best thing. You know, I love your feedback. That's one thing we've been getting a lot of positive feedback on is, of course, the POV drive. So we're going to be doing more of these, and you know, we got a lot more warm weather left. It's the end of April. We'll have this video out beginning of May. Before I make an end to this video, I just want to extend a huge thank you to my sponsors. Of course, we have Integrated Engineering. You guys have really been spearheading the efforts on this build. ECS Tuning, you guys are great. For those who are interested in purchasing these products, of course, I have everything linked below. So check out those links. Again, that helps out the channel big time, and it's no extra cost to you. So if you have an RS3 just like mine, I highly recommend throwing on these modifications. It only makes the car better. So with that said, I'll end the video there. Thank you guys again for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace and love.